Welcome to All About Home Décor, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for home decor. Today, we're diving into dining room ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and functional haven for family meals and entertaining guests. Let's get started. Choosing the right dining table. The dining table is the centerpiece of any dining room, serving as the focal point around which everything else revolves. When choosing the right one, it's essential to consider both the size of your space and the number of people you typically host. For smaller spaces, a round table can be a fantastic choice. Round tables maximize seating by eliminating corners, making it easier to fit more chairs around the table without sacrificing comfort. Additionally, they create a cozy, intimate atmosphere perfect for close conversations and family meals. In larger dining rooms, a rectangular table makes a bold statement and offers plenty of seating. These tables are versatile and can accommodate larger gatherings, making them ideal for hosting dinner parties or holiday feasts. The elongated shape also provides ample surface area for serving dishes and decorative centerpieces. Another important factor to consider is the material and style of the table. Wooden tables offer timeless elegance and durability, while glass or metal tables can add a modern touch. Think about how the table will fit with the overall design aesthetic of your dining room and choose a style that complements your decor. Selecting chairs. Comfortable and stylish chairs are essential for a great dining experience. They not only need to look good but also provide the necessary support for long meals and gatherings. When selecting chairs, there are several options to consider, depending on the look and feel you want to achieve. Mix and match different styles for an eclectic look. This approach can add visual interest and personality to your dining room. For instance, you might pair upholstered chairs with wooden ones or combine vintage pieces with contemporary designs. The key is to find a balance that creates a cohesive yet diverse aesthetic. Alternatively, sticking to a cohesive set of chairs can give your dining room a more traditional and unified vibe. Upholstered chairs add a touch of luxury and comfort, especially when they feature high-quality fabrics and padding. They can make long dinners more enjoyable and add a sophisticated element to the room. Wooden chairs, on the other hand, offer timeless elegance and durability. They can range from simple, minimalist designs to intricate, carved styles. Consider the height and width of the chairs to ensure they fit comfortably under your table, allowing enough space for diners to move freely. Lighting. Lighting sets the mood in your dining room, playing a crucial role in creating an inviting atmosphere. The right lighting can transform the space, making it warm and welcoming for family meals and special occasions. A stunning chandelier or pendant light above the table can be a focal point and create a dramatic effect. Chandeliers are perfect for adding a touch of elegance and grandeur, while pendant lights offer a modern and versatile option. For a contemporary touch, consider a cluster of smaller pendant lights hung at different heights. This arrangement can create a dynamic and visually appealing display. It's also important to consider the functionality of your lighting. Dimmable lighting is a great addition, allowing you to adjust the brightness according to the occasion. For a romantic dinner, you can dim the lights to create a soft, intimate ambience. For larger gatherings or family meals, brighter lighting ensures everyone can see and enjoy their food. Additionally, think about incorporating other light sources, such as wall sconces or floor lamps, to provide layered lighting. This approach adds depth and dimension to the room, enhancing the overall aesthetic and functionality. Table settings and decor. Table settings and decor bring your dining room to life, allowing you to express your personal style and create a welcoming environment. The right decor can enhance the dining experience, making each meal feel special. Start with a table runner or placemats to add texture and color to your table. These elements can tie together the overall look of your dining room, complementing your tableware and centerpiece. Choose materials and patterns that reflect your style, whether it's rustic, modern, or traditional. Mix and match dinnerware and glassware for a personalized touch. Don't be afraid to combine different sets to create a unique and eclectic look. For instance, you might use vintage plates with contemporary glasses, adding character and charm to your table. Fresh flowers or a beautiful centerpiece can instantly elevate your table, adding a touch of nature and elegance. Seasonal arrangements are a great way to keep your decor fresh and relevant throughout the year. Finally, pay attention to the little details, like elegant napkins and stylish cutlery, to complete the look. These finishing touches can make a big difference, showing your guests that you've thought of everything to make their dining experience enjoyable. Storage solutions. Effective storage solutions keep your dining room organized and clutter-free, ensuring that everything you need is easily accessible. The right storage can also enhance the aesthetic of your space, adding both functionality and style. A buffet or sideboard provides ample space for storing dinnerware, linens, and serving pieces. These pieces of furniture are not only practical but also offer additional surface area for displaying decorative items or serving food during gatherings. Choose a design that complements your dining table and overall decor, whether it's a sleek modern piece or a classic wooden sideboard. Open shelving can showcase your favorite dishes and decorative items, adding visual interest to your dining room. This option allows you to display your beautiful dinnerware and glassware, making them part of the decor. Keep in mind that open shelving requires regular maintenance to ensure everything looks tidy and organized. If space is limited, consider multifunctional furniture, like a storage bench or a dining table with built-in drawers. These pieces can provide additional storage without taking up too much space, making them ideal for smaller dining rooms. A storage bench can also serve as extra seating when needed, adding versatility to your space. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches to make your dining room truly your own. Personalizing your space ensures that it reflects your style and personality, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Display family photos, artwork, or mementos that reflect your style and personality. These items add a personal touch and make the space feel more intimate and welcoming. Consider creating a gallery wall or a dedicated display area to showcase your favorite pieces. Incorporate textiles, like a cozy rug or throw pillows, to add warmth and comfort. Textiles can soften the look of your dining room and make it feel more inviting. Choose colors and patterns that complement your overall decor, creating a cohesive and harmonious look. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors and patterns to make a statement. Whether it's a vibrant wall color, a patterned tablecloth, or colorful accessories, bold elements can add character and energy to your dining room. The key is to balance these elements with more neutral tones to avoid overwhelming the space. Thanks for watching. We hope these dining room ideas have inspired you to create a space that's perfect for dining and entertaining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips. See you next time.